Marlon, good morning po sa iyo. Happy birthday. And sana po gold health ka. At sana po lalo pang lumaki ang tiyan mo. Joke lang. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Sir Marlon. So keep up the good works. At sana po ay marami pa po kaming matutunan sa leadership niyo at sa pagsiservice po sa ating bansa.
Chairman Marlon Mendoza, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sana more good health sa career.
Hi, hello sir. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Stay young and healthy. Happy birthday.
Hello Sir Marlon Mendoza. Happy birthday. Wishing you God health all the time and happiness all the time.
Hello, Sir Marlon, Chairman Marlon. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and success in our One Movement Incorporated. Thank you.
Hi sir, happy birthday po. Grabe, sobrang this is the day that very special day po sa iyo and hope more birthdays to come. God bless.
Sir Marlon, happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang kaarawan na darating at sana mapaligaya mo rin lahat. Yun na po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Sige po.
Good morning, Sir Marlon. Happy birthday po. Hello, Sir Marlon Mendoza. Happy birthday. You have more birthdays to come.
Hi, Chairman Marlon Mendoza. Happy birthdays to you. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. At happy birthday, Sir Marlon Mendoza. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Sana ay mabusog mo kami. Yay!